Experience driving perfection in the 2012 GMC Sierra 2500 HD. With over 10 models and 3 cab styles, versatility defines the 2012 GMC 2500.
Each and every detail of the exterior expresses muscularity. This vehicle achieves a sporty stance when viewed from all angles. The StabiliTrak system combines stability control with proactive roll avoidance, electronic trailer sway control, intelligent brake assist, and hill start assist to provide control over both the vehicle and its towing load under all road conditions. The Work Truck Preferred package includes features such as locking tailgate, fog lamps, and deep tinted glass.
The following features are included: available high idle switch, available power adjustable pedals, and cruise control. Choose the Denali trim and get luxury features such as heated steering wheel, heated and cooled front seats, wood grain trim, and rear vision camera. Other available features include a power seat, power door mirrors and heated door mirrors, and others depending on your trim configuration.
The 2012 GMC Sierra 2500 HD. Continuing to challenge both itself and others in the pickup truck segment,